Hi, my name is Lauren DiMartino with the JL Home Group of EXP. So today I just wanted to give you kind of a quick update on everything that's going on with me, with real estate, and with just life in general. So in the last 24 hours, I actually flew to Dallas, Texas for the BUILD22 event. This is a EXP conference. This is the first time I've attended it, so I'm excited and nervous, excited to meet new people because it's always exciting to build referral partners and just nurture those relationships. But it's also exciting to experience something new. So I very rarely travel as a woman by myself, so that is new. So that part is new, but it's also a little nerve-wracking. Also, I think that just the idea of being in a new space and creating an energy that allows me to just focus in, then I think that's the benefit of truly being here and enjoying myself. So I'm excited to learn, I'm excited to grow. If you've ever thought about going to a conference, I did attend EXPCon 2021 last year, and at that time I was an agent for 3 years. Now I'm going on my 4th year, and in the last little bit of time, one of the big things that I've learned is just to make sure that I spend energy and devote time to spending time with agents and spending time with people that are not just doing the job, but really excelling at the job. So that's the reason why I like to come to conferences, because it really does put me in a new mindset to ensure that I'm not just working on my business or in my business, but I'm surrounding my business with success from every aspect. And sometimes that takes me taking on different perspectives from other agents that I don't necessarily meet in my market. Now, a lot of the things that I do adopt from conferences, they do follow me back into my business, but some of those things they include connections with other people. So I think that's the main thing. You get a lot from the seminars, you get a lot from just spending time with people, but you get even more from just those relationships. So I just wanted to check in and kind of give you a rundown on everything that's going on. And so as time goes on, I'll keep checking in and let you know what I'm doing next and how everything works out. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Bye.